You got the hiccups. I was so fast I ate one of the festivals already. Got like a cabbage mix, Lantern Festival, breadfruit, toast, and then we got the fruit, watermelon, we got the apples, naseberry, banana, and papaya, and then red rose tea. Joke. I don't know what I've got myself into, but I'm gonna just get lost in Fern Gully and see what happens. So much cooler than, when I say cool, I mean temperature cool than just up on the road. So you got this natural canopy, and already I'm getting bitten to absolute by mosquitoes or something, I don't know, but they're killing me already. Actually really steep, so I'd love to hold this camera, but kind of need both hands so I can grab onto trees and fasten myself. Is where I am, and there's a path that leads up there. Oh. Made it. There's Lionhouse up there. Shout out to the humans who made this trail. Now, this isn't an accident, this is like, people came and made this. Must have taken years. Even more further away now. Look at that view. Ocho Rios down there. Naseberry tree right here, I think. Hard as a rock. Definitely not ripe, ready to eat. Incredible view, but I think there's some hives on there. Don't know if they're hornets or bees or wasps, but this is about as close as I'm gonna get. do justice to how amazing these views are right now. The depth. But I reckon as long as I follow the music, I'll be alright. Back up the way we came. I think I'm gonna have to go back to being hands-free. Getting pretty steep. Made it.